Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we are at the grand launch of Redmi Note 5, which is the successor of the very famous device of 2017, which is Redmi Note 4. And here's the new Redmi Note 5. Xiaomi calls it as India's all-rounder. So come, let's check in the video the first look of Redmi Note 5. So the device looks quite good. It has a 5.99-inch massive screen, full HD plus resolution and full view display, 18:9 aspect ratio. Bezels are thin, but the top bezel and the bottom bezel are a little thicker. So we can't say that this is like totally bezel-less. Okay, so let's see what's on the top. It's a earpiece. Okay, it has a 5-megapixel front camera, and on the right it has power button and volume rocker. On the left it has a SIM slot. Bottom we have two speaker grills. Okay, on the back we have a 12-megapixel rear single camera with LED flash, fingerprint sensor and logo. Let's run through the phone. Go to the settings, about phone. It has Android 7.1.2 Nougat. There's no comment in the launch about the Oreo update right now. CPU is octa-core max 2 GHz. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor and a 4000 mAh high capacity battery. Okay, so right now we have the 4GB and 64GB version. It comes in two variants, 4GB plus 64GB and 3GB plus 32GB. In the apps, there are some special apps like Mi Community, Mi Video and all, Mi Remote, but not much third-party apps. Only Mi apps are there. Might be there could be Flipkart, because it's generally available on Flipkart. Right now it's not there. So the color resolution looks quite good and viewing angles are nice. The screen comes with a 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass protection. Okay, let's run through the camera. So this is the option: photo, video. Other options are here: audio, beautify, tilt shift, scene, HHD, manual, straighten, timer, panorama. Okay. Flash, HDR, 5-megapixel. So just check the details. What it is, lighting cover in 5-megapixel is really nice. It does not seem like a 5-megapixel camera. And then there are some filters, beautify option, flash. It has a LED selfie light in the front, and obviously LED flash at the back. Okay, so we have just clicked some pictures here in the launch event. So you'll see a lot of roses today because it's Valentine's Day. Okay, this is a nice selfie, not 5-megapixel, but looks better than that. So this was the first look of Redmi Note 5. It comes in two variants, 3GB plus 32GB, which will be available for 9,999, and 4GB plus 64GB will be available for 11,999. So it comes exclusively on Flipkart and Mi's home stores, and sale starts from 22nd of February. That's all in this video. We'll come soon with the full review. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.